24 hours, one completely unfamiliar skill, zero prior knowledge, and only AI tools to help me learn it. I decided to learn basic video editing, something I had avoided for years because every tutorial I found was either too long, too technical, or assumed knowledge I did not have. I gave myself one day. No YouTube rabbit holes, no paid courses, just a structured AI-powered learning system I built from scratch. By the end of those 24 hours, I had edited and published a real video. Not perfectly, but genuinely well enough to use professionally. Today, I am sharing the exact system I used. Because what I discovered is not just a faster way to learn video editing. It is a faster way to learn anything. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What traditional learning is broken. Most people learn new skills the same way. They find a course. They watch hours of video. They take notes. They feel like they are making progress. Then they try to actually do the thing and realize they cannot. This is called passive learning. And research consistently shows it is one of the least effective ways to acquire a real usable skill. The problem is not effort. Most people trying to learn something new are genuinely motivated. The problem is structure. Without a clear learning path, specific milestones, and immediate application of every concept learned, information goes in one ear and out the other. AI fixes the structure problem completely. And when structure is fixed, learning speed increases dramatically. The AI learning system, step by step. Here is the exact system I used to learn video editing in 24 hours. This same system works for any skill. Coding, copywriting, public speaking, graphic design, a new language, anything. Step 1. Define the skill precisely with Claude. Most people make the mistake of trying to learn a skill in its entirety before they need it. That is why learning feels overwhelming and never ends. Open Claude and tell it the skill you want to learn and the specific outcome you need to achieve. Not just learn video editing. Instead, say this: I need to be able to edit a 10-minute YouTube video to a professional standard within 24 hours. I am a complete beginner. What is the minimum set of skills I need to learn to achieve this specific outcome and nothing else? Claude produces a focused minimum viable skill list. For video editing, it gave me 6 specific things: importing footage, cutting and trimming clips, adding transitions, syncing audio, adding text overlays, exporting the final file. 6 skills, not 60. 6. This is the most important step in the entire system. Ruthlessly define the minimum skills required for your specific outcome. Everything outside that list is distraction. Step 2. Build your learning roadmap. Ask Claude to create a structured hour-by-hour learning plan for your specific skill list. Tell it you have 24 hours and ask it to sequence the skills in the most logical learning order, building each new skill on top of the previous one. Claude produces a complete timed roadmap. Hour 1 through hour 4 covers the first 2 skills. Hour 5 through hour 8 introduces the next 2, and so on. You know exactly what you are learning, in what order, and for how long. Step 3. Learn by doing immediately. For every skill on your list, do not watch a tutorial first. Ask Claude to explain the concept in the simplest possible terms and then give you a specific small exercise to practice it immediately. For cutting and trimming clips, Claude told me, open your editing software, import any 3-minute video file, and cut it down to 90 seconds by removing the least essential parts. No explanation of every button and menu first. Just the minimum context to attempt the task. I attempted it. I failed at certain parts. I went back to Claude with my specific problem. Claude answered precisely. I tried again. I succeeded. This cycle of attempt, fail, ask, retry is how real skill acquisition happens. AI makes it infinitely faster because you get a precise answer to your precise problem immediately, rather than re-watching a 40-minute tutorial, hoping the relevant 30 seconds shows up. Step 4. Use Claude as your real-time tutor. Every time you hit a problem, Describe it to Claude in detail. Not what is wrong generally, exactly what you tried, exactly what happened, and exactly what you expected to happen instead. This specific problem framing produces specific useful answers. Claude becomes your expert tutor available at any moment with infinite patience and zero judgment about how basic your question is. I asked Claude 17 specific questions during my 24-hour learning session. Every answer was precise. Every answer moved me forward immediately. I never felt stuck for more than 5 minutes. Step 5. Test yourself before you finish. Before declaring the skill learned, give yourself a real test. Not a quiz, a real deliverable. Ask Claude to design a challenging test project for your specific skill level. Something slightly beyond what you practiced, but achievable with the skills you just acquired. For video editing, my test was editing a raw 10-minute video down to a polished 7-minute version, with transitions, audio sync, and text overlays. I had never done it before. I completed it in 3 hours. That completion, that moment of producing something real with a skill you did not have yesterday, is what cements the learning permanently. Why this works better than any course. Traditional courses give you information. This system gives you capability. Every hour is spent doing something, attempting, failing, asking, retrying, succeeding. No passive consumption. Every moment is active engagement with the actual skill. Claude adapts to your exact level, your exact problem, and your exact goal. A course cannot do that. A YouTube tutorial cannot do that. Only a real-time intelligent tutor can, and that tutor is now free and available 24 hours a day. Your action plan starting today. Choose one skill you have been wanting to learn. Open Claude. Define your minimum viable skill list for a specific outcome. Build your hour-by-hour learning roadmap. Start the first exercise immediately. Use Claude as your real-time tutor. Test yourself with a real deliverable before you finish. Pick a skill you have been putting off. Start the Claude conversation today. Which skill are you going to learn first using this system? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this changed how you think about learning, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.